As a criminal client, this is an emergency situation. You need to have communication right away to be able to resolve this, or at least get some ideas on how to resolve it and figure out how much it's going to cost so that you can make plans for your life moving forward and how you're going to handle this. And so if I'm in the office, if I'm not in court, then I'll be glad to talk to you right away. If not, we'll take a message and I'll give you a call back as soon as I get back to the office. I listen. That's the first thing I do. I just listen, not to respond, but just to understand. I've got to understand your story. I've got to understand what the other person is saying and what the state is saying against you.
Most criminal matters are pretty straightforward. And usually what you can do is, once they hire you, you get with the solicitor or prosecutor, whatever the case may be, whether it be a felony or misdemeanor, and you can usually work something out that they can't do themselves.
You need a criminal defense attorney on your team because there are things that we learn and that we know that just the average everyday person doesn't know and couldn't know. There are deadlines, there are just little details that if you miss them, you may have just waived your legal rights. In a criminal case, for example, as soon as you walk through the door, one of the first things they're going to do is give you a piece of paper and ask you to sign away all your rights. Your right to a jury, your right to an attorney, your right to subpoena witnesses, all of your rights. They just want you to sign guilty, pay your fine, and be done with it. They don't care about the consequences, your criminal record, your points, your suspended license, or any of these things. You need somebody who knows all of these pitfalls and is able to warn you and point them out to you before you step in them.